This is a Swivel GoPro Airplane Mount from MyPilotPro. It can swivel at any angle or direction. It's made of thick aircraft aluminum. The ram mount and ball provides extra flexibility when capturing video footage. Neoprene washers are used throughout to ensure that vibration can't make its way to the camera. You can attach this mount to any tie-down on your aircraft without any tools. The cam lever is able to exert 400 pounds of pressure, making the entire mount very secure. It's a great tool for capturing any aviation adventure. Now let's mount some 360 cameras and go for a fun flight. Attaching the MyPilotPro Swivel to your tie-down is very easy. Simply insert the first half of the mount, along with the thin stainless steel washer and one of the neoprene washers, into your tie-down ring. Then insert the other neoprene washer and the thick stainless steel washer, lock washer, and wing nut on the other side of the tie-down ring. Once this is done, clamp down the cam lever until it snaps into place. After attaching the mount, insert a stainless steel pin into the hole at the end of the threaded rod. There is also another hairpin included to secure the ram mount and swivel ball. Here we've mounted a GoPro Max 360 camera on the left wing and rear tie-down. Time to get airborne.